Hey guys, today I'm going to be ranking all the Pokemon starters. I am a Pokemon fan myself. This is just my opinion, and if you disagree, you're wrong. Okay. So first off, we start off with Sobble. Sobble is such a crybaby, bro. Why does he never shut up? He is probably one of my least favorite starters. Put you in the D. Just shut up for once, okay, Sobble? Like, bro, you're crying like, bro. Shut up. Nobody asked. Nobody wants you to cry, okay? Just shut up. Now we got magnesium or something. I don't know. I do kind of like the design. So I'll put it in B. Got a chestnut. The design is, I mean, it's mid. Honestly, this is an okay design. Put it in the C tier. Delphox. Alright, Delphox is kinda whack. Honestly, he's like, oh, she's a witch. She has a cool design, so I'll put her in C tier. Ivysaur. It's really cool. Not as cool as Bulbasaur or Venusaur, but I'm gonna have to put you in the A. Got Charmeleon. Never really liked the design of Charmeleon. He's just He's horny. I don't really like it. He's like, rawr, let me breathe fire. Like, shut up, bro. You have a horn out of your head. You're horny. Nobody asked. Alright, we got Wartortle. I like that design. Bulbasaur. Like, he literally just has a plant growing on his back. And I'll put you in the B tier. Venusaur. Look at him, bro. S tier. S tier. Alright. So we got Charmander. I do like the design, but on it's like C tier. Charizard. The Pokemon series kind of milked him, bro. Honestly. For that reason, he's a B tier. He would be an A tier if the Pokemon series didn't milk him so much. Alright. And we got Blastoise. I enjoy this. I like. Oh, I'm stupid. That's Squirtle. I'm actually. Alright, now you got Blastoise. Blastoise. I usually picked him, honestly. So, yeah, Blastoise is pretty cool. And I choose him almost every time I play on Fire Red. So I'm gonna put him in the S tier. Alright, we got Chikorita. Alright, now we got Bayleef or something. I don't know. Ratio, bro. Bayleef, you suck. Honestly. Alright, we got Cyndaquil. I like Cyndaquil. Probably this is my second favorite Gen 2 starter. I'll put him at the B tier, you know. It's the flames coming out his back, and he's like I don't know. Bro, I hate this design, bro. Oh my god, I hate him. He looks like a beanbag. I'm putting him in the D tier, alright? And then Typhlosion, pretty cool. But I'm gonna put him in C tier. Yeah. So, yeah. Now we got Oof. That's not for I actually forgot his name. Alright, whatever. You're a crocodile, bro. My favorite Gen 2 starter. At the S tier. At the S tier. Bro, I am like dumb or something, bro. I'm gonna have to put you. I keep forgetting. I'm stupid, bro. Alright, B tier. B tier. Now we have Ralliator. Easy A tier. Easy A tier. Trico. S tier. Honestly, Trico goes hard. Seta. That's not. Is that? my favorite Gen 3 starter is actually Trico. And I just like his whole evolution line. And now you got Sceptile into the S tier. Yeah, I just really enjoy his evolution. Chikorita. Bro, you look like a piece of popcorn chicken, bro. Like, get out of here. And Combustion, bro? Oh my god, bro. Stop trying to be like Kung Fu Master. Yeah! Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Get out! Alright. Now we got Blaziken. They did good on his design. I don't like Chikorita's design or Combustion's design. I do like Blaziken's design. I'm gonna put him in the B tier. Mudkip. S tier. Marshtomp. Bro, Marshtomp is goofy, bro. Marshtomp is literally goofy. That's why I'm gonna put him in the C tier. And Swampert, that's an easy A tier. That's an easy A tier. Turtwig? Turtwig, honestly, I like how he has a little sprout growing out of his head. I really like that design choice. And I'm gonna put him in the B. He's better than all of the flower grass starters that have a not flower grass stars, grass stars that have a plant on them. Or B tier. Okay, nobody. I don't think anybody's a fan of. Yeah, I don't think anybody's a fan of Turtwig's second evolution. I'm gonna put him in the teacher, bro. Look at his face, bro. Look at his design. It's Gucci, bro. It's I just said it's Gucci. Alright, I'm retarded. I'm messing. Bro. The two bushes. Like, bro, you're a bushy, goofy, freaking, like, get out of here. Torterra. Torterra is an A tier. A tier evolution, honestly. I do like Torterra. When they added the tree, I was like, man, that's insane. Now we're on to Gen 4, I believe. Okay. So, we have Chimchar. You're like a freaking legend. I like his design. It's going in the B tier. Monferno kind of reminds me of Primeape for some reason, but with fire and like a little different colors. So I'm gonna put him in C tier. Now we have Infernape, bro. Bro, Infernape in the anime is so cool. Infernape in the game is cool too, so I'm gonna put him to A tier. Piplup is like a C tier on. Prinplup. Nobody likes him. But Empoleon, on the other hand, I like his design. I know that he's not a good Pokemon, but I'll put him in the B tier. So, ooh, Snivy. Snivy, bro. Look at him, bro. He's just like, he's chilling. He's chilling. A tier. I don't know you. I forgot your name. But I don't like your design. You just look goofy at that, honestly. Ooh, Survivor, I think that is. Or that's the middle evolution. I'm not too sure. Design is pretty cool. And I'm gonna put you in the B tier. Tepig. C tier. Like, I do like the design, but it just can't compete with the other Pokemon. The other fire starters. Like, for example, look at Cyndaquil. He doesn't have his mouth open. Alright? Look at Chikorita. Look at Charmander. Look at, like, oh, did I just say Chimchar? Alright, look at Charmander. Now, look at Chimchar, bro. Look, they look way cooler than you. And this middle evolution, bro, get your, I wanna fight you, bro. Emboar, I like your shiny, because I'm pretty sure it has the blue flames. And I'll put you in the B tier, just because I like your shiny. Oh, now we're already on to Gen 6. Okay. Chestnut. Chestnut. Chespin. Okay. We have... I actually forgot your name. I'm going to put you in the C tier. C tier as well. Or that's Delky or something. Froakie? Froakie? Froakie is an actual legend, alright? Bro, look at him. To the top of S tier. Frogadier, I never liked his design. Greninja, he's a real one. Rowlet. Why do you look like a soccer ball? Like, you could just... Could I just drop kick you? I just want to punch him so bad. Freaking one. Oh, the middle evolutions and final evolutions for Gen 7 aren't here. This is... might be outdated. Because when the leaks came out, I think that just the starters were there. And now we got... I don't know you, but you look emo. Alright. Get out of here. Decidueye. A tier! It's just a basic hat design. Honestly. I don't see how anybody could like it. And here we have, I don't know, like Torracat, something. Basic cat design. Now Incineroar. Another bipedal fire evolution. Fire starter evolution. Look at all of the other fire starters. Bipedal, 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 bipedal. At their final evolution, look. Bipedal. Bipedal, bro. Oh my god, bro. And every single cat Pokemon seems to be bipedal. Seems to have a bipedal evolution, and I absolutely hate that. This is a cool Pokemon. It's the only thing saving it from the D tier. Alright? Put you right there. Okay, man? So, yeah. Now we have that one blue dude. Your shiny barely makes you change color, bro. And I don't really like... Actually, I do like your design. I'll put you in the A tier. But not ahead of anybody else. Bottom of the A tier, honestly. Primarina. No, that's the final evolution. We have, I kind of enjoyed this design. And you in the C tier, alright. Now we have Primarina. I actually like this Pokemon for some reason, and I'll put you in the A tier. Maruki? Maruki? Who I chose when I first got Sword and Shield? Woo! Scorbunny? Bro, you and Sobble are absolutely abysmal. Alright, that is my tier list.